Want to stop working for money and let money work for you? You don't need to be rich, you just need to be smart and consistent. In this video, I'll show you 7 real passive income ideas you can start today, even if you're broke. Let's build freedom, step by step. 1. Sell digital products. Make it once, sell it forever. Create an ebook, a Notion or Excel template, a printable or even an online guide. Use platforms like Gumroad, Etsy, or Payhip. Use Canva, Notion, and ChatGPT to help you create. Example. A simple budget tracker can earn you $10 per sale, over and over again. No inventory, no shipping, just passive income. Invest in Dividend stocks. Dividend stocks pay you regularly, just for holding them. Every quarter, you get paid. Start with just $10 using apps like M1 Finance, Robinhood, or eToro. Tip: look for ETFs like VYM, SCHD, or Dividend Aristocrats, companies that have paid and increased dividends for decades. The earlier you start, the more compound interest works in your favor. Start a Faceless YouTube channel. No camera, no voice, no problem. Use AI tools. ChatGPT for scripts, 11 Labs for voiceover, InVideo or Pictory for editing, and Canva for thumbnails. Choose evergreen niches like investing tips, celebrity net worth, motivational quotes, and digital side hustles. As your videos grow, so do ad revenues, affiliate links, and sponsorships. Scale without burning out. License your photos or music. Are you a photographer, designer, or musician? Upload your work to stock platforms like Shutterstock, Adobe Stock, Epidemic Sound, and Artlist. You create it once and get paid each time someone downloads it. Even AI-generated art or voiceovers can be monetized now. Affiliate marketing. Recommend products you already use and earn commission. Start a blog, YouTube channel, or social media page. Sign up for affiliate programs like Amazon Associates, Share a Sale, Digistore24, and Impact. So, here's an example for you. Imagine promoting a $50 product with a 20% commission. If you manage to make 10 sales, that's a cool $100 in your pocket. And the best part? The content keeps working for you 24/7. Number 6, rent out something you own. Got a car? List it on Turo, a spare room? Try Airbnb. Maybe a camera or drone? Check out Fat Llama. You don't need to buy anything new, just rent out what you already have. Bonus tip. You can even rent out digital real estate like websites or domain names. It's a pretty neat way to make some extra cash, isn't it? Build and sell an online course. You don't need to be a guru. Just be 10 steps ahead of someone else. Teach what you know: Excel skills, freelancing, language learning, social media marketing, or even nutrition. Use platforms like Teachable, Gumroad, or Skillshare. You create it once, students can join anytime, and you get paid while you sleep. Bonus idea. Create a niche blog and monetize it. Start a blog around a focused topic. For example, you could write about a minimalist lifestyle, budgeting for moms, or productivity for freelancers. You can monetize it with ads like Google AdSense, affiliate links, digital products, and email newsletter upgrades. It takes time, but once traffic builds, it's hands-off income. Conclusion. Let's recap the 7 passive income ideas: digital products, dividend stocks, YouTube automation, licensing photos or music affiliate marketing, renting assets, and selling online courses. And don't forget the bonus niche: blogging. These are not get-rich-quick schemes, they're get-started-now systems. Pick just one, take action, be consistent. It's not about perfection, it's about momentum.